Oh, yeah. He's a good one. Oh, yeah. Fish on, boys.
Small. What size one I had?
Yeah, yours might be a little littler. About the same size. Pretty close. What do you think about that, y'all? Wait a minute. What I done, y'all?